Hello, food lovers! Today we're diving into a classic Chinese chicken fried rice. It's tasty, fast, and perfect for using leftover rice. Whether you're a kitchen newbie or a seasoned pro, this recipe is a winner. Ready to cook? Let's get started! For this recipe you'll need cooked rice cold and fluffy 2 cups, chicken breast diced 1, eggs 2, peas and carrots frozen or fresh 1 cup, spring onions chopped 2, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, vegetable oil 2 tablespoons, salt and pepper to taste. Let's break it down a bit more. First, the cooked rice. It's best if it's cold and fluffy, so if you have leftover rice from the previous day, that's perfect. Next, the chicken breast. Make sure it's diced into small, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Moving on to the eggs, you'll need 2 of them. They add a wonderful texture and richness to the dish. For the vegetables, you can use either frozen or fresh peas and carrots. 1 cup should be enough to add a nice crunch and color. Don't forget the spring onions. Chop up 2 of them finely. They bring a fresh, zesty flavor that complements the other ingredients. Soy sauce is essential for that umami taste, so make sure you have 2 tablespoons ready. Finally, you'll need vegetable oil for cooking, and of course, salt and pepper to season the dish to your liking. Got everything? Great. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move to the exciting part: cooking. First things first, preheat your wok or large pan. This step is crucial because a hot pan ensures that your ingredients cook quickly and evenly, giving you that perfect stir-fry texture. While it heats up, let's get our ingredients prepped. Dice the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. This helps the chicken cook faster and more evenly, ensuring each piece is tender and juicy. Next, chop those spring onions nice and fine. Spring onions add a fresh, zesty flavor that complements the savory chicken perfectly. If you're using fresh peas and carrots, give them a good chop too. Fresh vegetables add a delightful crunch and vibrant color to your dish, making it not only tasty but also visually appealing. Now grab your cold, cooked rice. This is the secret to non-mushy fried rice. Cold rice separates easily, allowing each grain to fry up nicely without clumping together. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready to go is key to a smooth cooking process. It ensures that you can move quickly once you start cooking, which is essential for stir-frying. Everything ready? Let's cook some chicken. The hot wok will sear the chicken beautifully, locking in all those delicious juices and flavors. As you add each ingredient, remember to keep stirring to ensure even cooking. This is the essence of stir-frying quick, high-heat cooking with constant movement. Listen to that sizzle. It's the sound of your ingredients transforming into a delicious meal. Keep an eye on the color and texture and you'll know when it's just right. And there you have it, perfectly prepped and cooked chicken stir-fry, ready to be enjoyed. Bon appétit! Drizzle 1 tablespoon oil into the hot wok or pan. Add the diced chicken and stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want it cooked through and slightly browned. Once the chicken's ready, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Keep that pan hot. It's egg time. Section 5. Egg sealant. Addition. Add the remaining oil to the pan. Crack in the eggs and scramble them lightly. We want them soft and fluffy, not dry. Once the eggs are set, remove them from the pan and set them aside with the chicken. Almost there. Section 6. Veggie power. Now it's time for the veggies. Toss the peas, carrots, and chopped spring onions into the pan. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're heated through but still crunchy. Veggies done, get ready for the star of the show, the rice. Section 7. Rice in the spotlight. Add the cold, cooked rice to the pan with the veggies. Stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, breaking up any clumps. Now, pour in the soy sauce and season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up. Almost ready, let's bring it all together. Section 8. The grand finale, fried rice fiesta. Today we're going to take you on a culinary journey to create the ultimate chicken fried rice. This dish is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to customize it to your taste and preferences. Add the cooked chicken and scrambled eggs back to the pan with the rice. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the ingredients are well incorporated, giving you a harmonious blend of flavors in every bite. The chicken adds a savory depth while the scrambled eggs provide a rich, creamy texture. Stir-fry everything together for another minute to combine all those delicious flavors. The key here is to keep the heat high and keep stirring to prevent the rice from sticking to the pan. This also helps in achieving that perfect, slightly crispy texture that makes fried rice so irresistible. And there you have it. Your very own homemade Chinese chicken fried rice is ready to be devoured. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a special gathering with friends and family. Serve it hot and enjoy. The aroma of the freshly cooked rice, combined with the savory chicken and eggs, is sure to make your mouth water. Don't forget to garnish with some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds for that extra touch of flavor and presentation. Want to mix it up? Fried rice is a fantastic canvas for creativity. You can easily adapt this recipe to suit your dietary preferences or to use up whatever ingredients you have on hand. Try adding different veggies like chopped bell peppers, which add a sweet and crunchy element to the dish. The vibrant colors also make the fried rice visually appealing. Mushrooms, which bring an earthy flavor and a meaty texture, or bean sprouts, which add a fresh, crisp bite. These additions not only enhance the flavor but also boost the nutritional value of your meal. You can also use shrimp or tofu instead of chicken. Shrimp adds a delicate seafood flavor, while tofu is a great vegetarian option that absorbs the flavors of the sauce beautifully. Fried rice is all about creativity and using what you have on hand. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. You might just discover a new favorite combination. So, get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the deliciousness of homemade fried rice. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for a crowd, this dish is sure to impress. Happy cooking and bon appetit!